got this bread maker for Christmas because I'm gluten-free. Been gluten-free for like over 10 years. So if you have any questions, let me know. I've made 2 loaves of bread in this so far. It's not going well. Try it again because my sister gave me a recipe. She makes gluten-free bread because my mom's gluten-free. She's done 2 loaves and they both turned out great. So she's gonna talk me through all of the steps to make sure that I get it right. Gotta do the dishes first. The first 2 loaves that I did came out like a brick. I followed the steps that came with the instructions. Obviously I did something wrong. It's like a little paddle that goes in here. Those are the exact ingredients that my sister said to use. I've got everything in here in this container. I'm just gonna open this up, drop her in. I made sure my paddle was in there. Kind of just spins closed to lock it in. Called my sister like 5 times already. She said put it on 1.5 pounds light gluten-free setting. Gluten-free is 7. It is at 1.5 pounds. I need to change the color setting to light. Apparently gluten-free bread gets darker easily. It says it's 3 hours. There she goes. There it is. Let me block out that light so you can see. But it's mixing. Hi, Scott. This smells so much. In an hour and 20 minutes, I started doing this. You can see how much it rose. And that's a really good sign because I don't think my last 2 batches rose at all. 6 minutes left. It smells so good. 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. Ooh, here we go. It sank a little bit. I'm gonna let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. At first glance, it sank a little bit, but it's still like almost double the height that my first 2 batches turned out. So it rose. 1 minute, so I'm going to take it out. Okay, I'm gonna get this paddle out. I'd say it looks pretty good. I've let it cool just a few minutes. I think you're supposed to let it cool for like an hour, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Okay, it's very, I hate this word. Moist. It's nice and spongy. And that's really good. I need something. Meemaw's jam. Cheers. If this is my gluten-free bread option and it's that easy to make, even though it takes all day to bake, I am all for this because I know all the ingredients and gluten-free bread is so expensive. 9 out of 10.